One day the child who told you everything goes quiet, moody, and impossible. Most parents push harder. Biren learned to do the opposite. Meet Biren. He loves his teenager. And lately, every single day ends in a fight. Here's the truth that changes everything. You can't control a teenager. You can only stay connected to one. Push, and they push back harder. So here's the move behind all 3 lessons. Before you correct the behavior, connect with the person. Connect first, correct second, every time. Lesson 1. His teen used to talk. Now every question gets one flat word back. Because the moment they open up, Biren jumped straight to a lecture, so they stopped opening up. And a teen who feels judged goes silent and takes their real life somewhere else. The move is to listen first. Ask, then zip it. Get curious instead of furious, and listen twice as long as you talk. Feeling heard instead of judged, they start to talk again, and Biren finally hears what's really going on. Lesson 2. The phone goes to bed with them every night. 2 in the morning, still scrolling. Wrecked sleep, foul mornings, grades sliding. So make one calm rule for the whole house. Phones charge outside the bedrooms at night, yours included. A rule you follow too is a rule they respect. A week later, real sleep is back, and so is the kid who isn't running on empty. Lesson 3. A small no turns into a shouting match. Biren matches their anger, raises his voice, and the door slams. Nobody wins. The move is to stay the calm one. Don't match the storm. Be the anchor. Lower your voice, name the feeling, and talk once you're both cool. When Biren stays steady, the fight has nothing to feed on, and the real conversation can finally happen. See the pattern? Listen first. Model the rules, and stay the calm one. 3 moves, and the war turns back into a relationship. You can't control a teenager, but you can stay close enough to guide one. Connect first, correct second. If this helped, subscribe to Biren Inspires.